Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by setting a minimal, reproducible environment. Create and activate a virtualenv so packages don't conflict. Install Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Scikit-learn, then launch Jupyter Notebook to iterate quickly. Once done, structure files, a data/folder for raw CSVs, a notebook/folder for exploration, and a script/folder for reusable functions. Make sure to open the dataset, peek at head, and dtypes, and write a short requirements. TXT so you can reproduce this exact setup later. You now clean and explore, check df, info, and df, describe, to find nulls and bad types, then convert types explicitly. Once done, decide how to handle missing values, drop rows, or impute median for skewed data, and create new features when useful. Use vectorized pandas ops for speed, then run groupie aggregations to reveal patterns. Make sure to visualize distributions with histograms, box plots, and a scatter matrix so you understand correlations before modeling or transforming further. You finish by splitting data into train and test sets, then build a pipeline that includes scaling, encoding, and a simple baseline model like logistic regression or random forest for quick benchmarks. Once satisfied, evaluate on test metrics, serialize the pipeline with joblib, and export the clean dataset and a README describing steps. If things go wrong, check dtypes, confirm no-NA and features, set a random state for reproducibility, and validate array shapes. Most problems hide in mismatched dimensions or unexpected nulls.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.